Hi friends, I am back with my channel Knowledgeable Strategies. Today I am going to provide Control A to Z shortcut key functions of computer. So let's start with it. Today I am going to provide the shortcut keys Control A to Z shortcut keys of computer. So first I'll provide the shortcut keys and their description, and then I'll show how to use in a Word file. So let's start with it. Control plus A will select all contents of the page. Control plus B will bold the highlighted selection. Control plus C will copy the selected text. Control plus D will provide the font option. Control plus E will align the selected line or text to the center. Control plus F will open find box. Control plus G will find and replace the option from go to. Will provide the go to option in find and replace. Control plus H will find and replace the option. Control plus I, italic highlighted selection, will provide the italic highlighted selection. Control plus J will justify paragraph alignment. Control plus K will insert the link, that is hyperlink. Control plus L align selected line or text to the left. Control plus M will indent the paragraph. Control plus N open the new blank document. Control plus O will open options. Control plus P will open the print window. Control plus Q will remove the paragraphs formatting. Control plus R will align the selected text or line to the left. Control plus S will save the document. Control plus T will create a new tab in the internet browser or adjust tab in word processor. Control plus U will underline the highlighted selection. Control plus V will paste the selected text. Control plus W will close the current open document. Control plus X will cut the selected text. Control plus Y will redo the last action performed. Control plus Z will undo the last action. So now I'll show how to use Control A to Z shortcut keys in a computer. So we'll start with Control A. I'll select a word. Then I'll press Control A function. Then entire words have been selected. If I press Control A function. Now I selected this words and I'll press Control B. So these words are being bold. The selected words get bold. Now Control C function is used for copy. So Control C, I press Control C and over here I'll press Control V. So the words which I copied over there are being pasted. So Control C and Control V functions are used for copy and paste. Now I'll select Control X function, that is cut, Control X, and I'll press Control V. Again the words which I selected there are cut from there and the words are here pasted. So control X, C and X. Control C, X and V. These three functions are copy, cut and paste. Now the control D function. Control D. It will show the font options. Whatever the font option you want, you'll press Control D and you'll get the control font option. Control D, you'll get the font options. Then Control E. I'll select this paragraph and I'll press Control E. The words or the line or the text are aligned in the center. After pressing Control E, the words, line, text, everything, the paragraph, everything is aligned in the center after pressing Control E. Control F, it is for the find function. You'll get the find option over there. Whatever the words you want to find, you can press here. I'll put what it's about, and the words are selected over here. After pressing Control F, it's used for the find option. Now the Control G. Control G. I'll get the window of find and replace and I'll get your go to option. After pressing Control G, whichever the page number, section, line, bookmark, comment, footnote, whatever you want, you can get from here. Section, line, whatever you want, you'll get from here. Control G. Now Control F. Control F is used for find option. Now Control H. Control H. It is, you'll get over here the find and replace option. What's it about? You can replace it with hi everyone. So what's it about? It's here. It will replace with hi everyone. Replaced. So these are for the Control A to Control H function. Now the Control H function is used for find and replace. Now we'll move further. Control I option. So I'll select a word and it will get italic. The highlighted selection will be, I'll press Control I, so it will get converted into italic font. Control I. Now the Control J function. It will justify. Like the space between the words will be justified. Control J. I press Control J, it will justify. Now Control K. It will provide, it will insert the link, hyperlink. I'll press Control K. So it will insert the hyperlink. Okay. So over here the link has been inserted, the hyperlink. Control K. Now Control L. It will align the words towards left. I'll press Control L. So it will go towards your left. Control L. It will go towards your left. The words and alignment will go towards your left. Now Control M. It will move towards the right. If you want to insert everything, any image or anything, if you press Control M, it will shift towards. You can insert over here any image or anything, whatever, any logo or anything. You can insert it over here. Now Control M. If you press Control M, new document will be open. New document is open if you press Control N. If you press Control W, then the document will be closed. Control W. Control N is for new document and Control W is to close the document. Now Control O. It will press the open options. Open options have been pressed. If you press the W, this window is open when I press the open options. Now Control P. It will open the print window. Print window is open. Control P. Now Control Q will remove your formatting. Control Q. All formatting in your paragraph has been removed. Control R. Will align your words towards right. Control L was towards left, Control R is towards right, and Control E was towards your center. Now Control S. I'll press Control S, it will save your document. As it's already saved, so whatever the changes you have made, when you press Control S, all changes are been saved. Now Control T. Control T is used to open new tab bar in your internet browser, or else you want to access the words in your word processor, you can press Control T. After pressing Control T, the words have been adjusted in your word processor. Control U. It will underline whatever the words have been selected, it will underline. Control V is for the paste option. Control W is for to close the document. Control X is for your paste option. Y and Z. So now if I make this bold and I want to undo this, then I'll press Control Z. But if I want to redo, I want to do it again, then I'll press Control Y. So in this way we can use Control A to Z functions, the shortcut keys for computer. I'll just show the Control F function again. As in the Word file, the window was not been shown, like the window was in my left, so it was not been opened properly. So I'll show it over here. Control F function, you'll get the this Control F in this way, and you can find whatever the word you want. Like it's saved, so I'll find all. So it's shortcut key, save the document. So Control F function is used for this, Control F. And this is all about the Control A to Control Z functions. If you like my video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and to get notification of my video, press the bell icon button. If you find this video useful, then do share, and if you have any queries, then comment in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Thank you.